How to derive the formula for the division of a line segment.
We have here point P sub 1 with coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1.
And point P sub 2 with coordinates x sub 2, y sub 2.
Suppose there is a point P sub O between P sub 1 and P sub 2, with coordinates x sub O, y sub O.
Make a point Q with coordinates x sub O, y sub 1.
And another point R with coordinates x sub 2, y sub 1.
You can find proportional segments here.
Like line segment P sub 1 to P sub O.
Over line segment P sub 1 to P sub 2.
And this proportionality is equal to R.
This line segments are shown in blue and red.
We can also see the proportional segments P sub 1 to Q over P sub 1 to P sub 2. And this is equal to R, also.
And line segments Q to P sub O over R to P sub 2.
And this is equal to R, also. Using these proportional segments, we can solve in terms of coordinates.
In terms of x coordinates, we have x sub O minus x sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 equals R.
Simplifying, we have x sub O minus x sub 1 is equal to R times x sub 2 minus x sub 1. In terms of y, we have y sub O minus y sub 1 over y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is equal to R. Simplifying, we have y sub O minus y sub 1 is equal to R times y sub 2 minus y sub 1. These formulas of x and y coordinates are useful if you solve for the midpoint or other points, as long as you know the ratio, R. For midpoint, our R is equal to 1/2.
Then substitute 1/2 to R. Using the distributive property and transposing x sub 1 on the left side to the right side.
We have x sub m is equal to 1/2 x sub 2 minus 1/2 x sub 1 plus x sub 1.
Combining minus 1/2 x sub 1 plus x sub 1 is plus 1/2 x sub 1.
We can add now similar fractions. So x sub m is equal to x sub 2 plus x sub 1 divided by 2. In the same way, y sub m is equal to y sub 2 plus y sub 1 divided by 2. These are the formulas for the coordinates of midpoint.